Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 331. Right, we're going to be using the answers that we got from our previous questions, that is question 311, question 312, and question 32. Right, and if you did not go through the information, do so before we answer this question. Right, calculate the coordinates of P where k is less than 0, meaning that where k is negative. So there are many ways we can do this. I'm going to show you about 4 different alternatives. So let's start with the first one. Remember, we managed to get the equation of PE. We managed to get the equation of PE in question 3.2. We say the equation of PE is y is equal to 1 over 4 x minus 3. So now we can substitute k into the equation. Okay, we can substitute these coordinates of P into the equation. Let's do that. So k, the y coordinate is k, is equal to 1 over 4 k minus 3. Okay, right. And then what can we do? We can bring this one, this side becomes k minus 1 over 4 k is equal to 3. What is 1 minus 1 over 4? 1 minus 1 over 4 is 3 over 4. So we have 3 over 4 k is equal to 3. And then how do we get k here? We multiply by the multiplicative inverse of 3 over 4, which is 4 over 3. Okay, so we multiply by 4 over 3 both sides. So it's 3 over 4 k times 4 over 3 is equal to 3 times 4 over 3. Multiplying by the inverse there. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then you remain with k is equal to 3 divided by 3 is what? Is 1. Okay, sorry, here is negative 3. Negative 3 here is negative 3 here. Negative 3 there. Okay, right, let's correct that. It's negative 3 there. And then so it's going to be negative 4. Okay, negative 4 there. You see that? Right, that's the answer there. So meaning that therefore the coordinates of P, the x coordinate is negative 4 and the y coordinate is negative 4. Okay, right, that's what you could have done there. Or from this stage here, you can multiply by 4 on both sides of the equation. Let's just do that. We remove 3k is equal to negative 12. Then divide by 3 on both sides. You can do that step by step like that. And then get k is equal to negative 4. Okay, you can do that also. But this is our answer. Right, let's go to the other method. Right, we have the gradient. We managed to find the gradient of PE, isn't it? Right, I'll just use, okay, let's do this. We have the gradient of PE, right? MPE is equal to, we say the gradient of PE is 1 over 4. We got that answer in question 3.1.1. Right, so it means now we can use any point. We can use point B and point E. Let's use point B and point E. Or we can even use point B and point C. Okay, right, if you're using point B and point E, so we can say 0 minus k, 0 minus k. Okay, here 0 minus k. So it means 1 over 4 is equal to 0 minus k over 12 minus k, 12 minus k, 12 minus k. Okay, see that? And then what we have is like we have 1 over 4 is equal to negative k over 12 minus k. Right. And then we can cross multiply here. Cross multiply this and this, multiply that and that. Okay. So negative k times 4 is negative 4k is equal to 1 times 12 minus 4 12 minus k is just 12 minus k. Right, okay. And then what we have here, we can bring negative k, this side becomes negative 3k is equal to 12, divided by negative 3 on both sides of the equation, k is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the coordinates of b will be negative 4, or coordinates of b, and negative 4, like that. Okay, right. So that's another method. Okay, right. Even if you want to use b and c, you'll do the same thing. You say, oh, let's just do it fast. I'll do it fast. So it's negative 2 minus k over 4 minus k is equal to 1 over 4. Remember, the gradient of PE is 1 over 4. You cross multiply 4, you get 4 minus k is equal to 4, then times negative 2 minus k, like that. Okay. And then 4 minus k is equal to negative 8 minus 4k. Bring negative 8 this side becomes 12 is equal to, bring negative k this side becomes negative 3k. Divide by negative 3 on both sides, negative 4 is equal to k. See that? You can do that also. Right, let's go to the third alternative. Right, we managed to find the gradient of AB. If you remember, we use the angle of inclination. We managed to find that the gradient of AB is equal to 7. You check your answer for question 312. That's where we got that answer. So now, using the same method, we can say, let's start with 10 minus k. 10 minus k over negative 2 minus k. Negative 2 minus k, that's the gradient, is equal to, let's say, 7 over what? That is 7. Then you cross multiply. Then from 7, then negative 2, negative minus k is equal to 1 times 10 minus k. Let's distribute 7, negative 14 minus 7k is equal to 10 minus k. Right, what we do, can bring this one this side. Negative k becomes negative 6k is equal to, bring negative 14 to the left, to the right, sorry, becomes positive 14, which is 24. Then divide by negative 6 on both sides, we get that k is equal to negative 4. Therefore, coordinates of b will be negative 4, negative 4, like that. Okay, right, let's do the last method. So again, we managed to find that the gradient of AB is 7. So gradient of AB is equal to 7. And remember, we found the equation of BE is y is equal to 1 over 4x minus 3. Okay, right. So using this, and then we can find the equation of AB. We can find the equation of AB and solve these two equations simultaneously. Let's call this one equation 1. Right. Let's find equation 2, which is going to be the equation of AB. Okay. Right. Equation of AB, y is equal to mx plus c. So let's use our point A. 10 is equal to 7 minus 2 plus c. 10 is equal to negative 14 plus c. C is equal to 24. Therefore, the equation of AB is y is equal to 7x plus 24. That's equation 2. So the simpler way of solving this will be by equating or substitution. Y is equal to 7x plus 24. So where there's y, we can put 7x plus 24. It's like equating or substituting, whichever way. Right, so let's just do that. So we have 1 over 4 x minus 3 is equal to, then where there's y here, we put this This goes to where there's y is equal to 7x plus 24. Right. And then what we do? Right, we can, if we want to get rid of the denominator, it's fine. We can multiply everything by 4, but you can deal with these as it is, okay, as a fraction. So we can say 1 over 4 x minus 7x is equal to 24 plus 3. When it goes that side becomes plus positive 3, so which is 27. Right, and then 1 over 4 plus 7, you can use your calculator, just say 1 over 4 plus 7. Right, 7 is like 7 over 1, and then becomes 28 over 4. 1 minus 28 is negative 27, okay? But use your calculator. 1 over 4 minus 7, you must get negative 27 over 4. Then x is equal to 27. Use your calculator. Please don't try to use your hands. Sometimes you may make mistakes, okay? All right. Estimate using your head, okay? And then just confirm with your calculator. And then what we do then, we can now multiply both sides by 4 and then divide by negative 27. You can do that, or you can just multiply by the multiplicative inverse on both sides. So negative 27 over 4 x times negative 4 over 27 is equal to 27 times negative 4 over 27. You see that? You can multiply by the multiplicative inverse, and then we get that x is equal to negative 4, because this and that would give us 1 there. Okay, right. And then remember x, this is the x coordinate, which is k. So therefore, the coordinates of b will be negative 4, negative 4. Okay, right. So the other thing from this point, I said you can say negative 27, x is equal to 27 times 4, then divide by negative 27 on both sides. You see that? We're going to get your negative 4. And then this is the x coordinate, which is k. Okay, and then the x coordinate is also equal to y coordinate. So the coordinates of b will be negative 4, negative 4. Done. So that was our question 3.3.1. Okay, we're going to meet when we do question 3.3.2.